Hello dear friends, greetings from Holland. I'm glad you're joining me, you're still joining me in this series on how to stay positive in a negative world. I'm sharing some simple nuggets with you that have helped me in my own life to stop the flow of negative thinking and have positive thoughts and a positive attitude on in daily life. And so far we've seen spiritual nuggets, some practical ones. Today I want to share another practical point with you that has really helped me, and that is be creative. Be creative. And it doesn't matter whether you play an instrument or whether you're a painter or whether you're a writer or you make apple pies or you love crocheting or some kind of craft. It doesn't really matter, but be creative. And why do I say that? I truly personally believe that when we are creative, we are very close to the Creator. We do what God in essence is. He is the Creator, and He made us in His image, which makes us creative. And I think we live in a world nowadays that people spend so much time maybe behind a computer or on their phones or inside the house with games or whatever people do. There's not much time left to be creative. But when we are creative, we can hear God speak. We can feel His heart. We can sense His presence. That's my experience, and I know from other people who experience that as well. So, share scripture with you. Let's go to Exodus, second book of the Bible. Exodus chapter 31. And chapter 31, let's read verse 3, where it says, where God is speaking, and He says, I have filled him. This is Bezalel, the son of Uri, grandson of Hur. I have filled him with the Spirit of God, giving him great wisdom, ability, and expertise in all kinds of crafts. He is a master craftsman. This is God's idea, and this is the talents and the abilities and the crafts and the skills that He gives us. It's different for every person, but please, I'm almost begging you, use what He's given you. Use it for His glory, and you will notice really in your mind that things will begin to change. So take it to heart, and I would love to hear from you if this works for you. So see you tomorrow. Bye.